In this video, I am going to explain on how to prepare yourself for aptitude test. Not everyone is from maths background, so that you have good thing in numbers. So that I have simplified the questions for you. I've already made this manual from different companies' interview questions and also segregated this as quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, then verbal questions. Now, how to approach this manual is what I wanted to explain. In quantitative, if you see, it is basic mathematics, applied mathematics, then the engineering mathematics. If you find difficulty in engineering mathematics, try choosing at least basic mathematics and applied one. Applied one would be somewhere profit and loss. The basic one will be HCM, LCM. So when you start practicing this, then if you come to engineering mathematics, you'll find it easier. The first rule is you have to allocate enough time to practice this manual. It will not happen in a day. And the second thing is, most of the companies had made online test. It is all these years we've been doing pen and paper test, and now since it is online, we may have certain difficulty. So allocate enough time to practice, and this manual already has multiple corporate companies' questions compiled, simplified with the answers. The second one is logical reasoning. When it is logical reasoning, first start with questions which interests you. An example, a father had 4 daughters and each one had 1 brother. The options would be 4, 8, 16 and then 1. We will ignore the answer 1 and we'll idly choose randomly either a 4 or 8, because 4 sisters, 4 brothers, 8, and the father had 8 son and daughter together. So make sure you read that entire sentence and then reply it. Why does a logical reasoning happen in a software job? Even though if it is coding, you just do coding job, you have to have some logics towards the approach you are doing. Third one is verbal aptitude. Already I have given enough insights in the previous video about the learning vocabulary, and in this manual I have simplified which and all will help you out in an interview perspective to crack your verbal aptitude test. Now when you practice all these 3 together, first allocate your time, practice, review your practice, have enough online tests. I have also added 7 online practice tests to the manual. You can also go through that, as well as after finishing that, you can go through online websites and do enough practices. Again, be sure all the companies prefer online aptitude tests because they can easily filter candidates and they can push them to the second round of interview. Hope I've given you enough insight how to approach this manual. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate, write back to me.